A Chatswood man has become the first public hospital patient in the country to have a key heart valve replaced using robotic technology. The life-saving procedure, Sydney's Royal Prince Alfred Hospital, results in less pain and a faster recovery.
Leaving hospital with a smile and a spring in his step, days after undergoing major heart surgery. The difference here, the use of a robot to help replace a faulty valve in the 57-year-old's heart.
It's very good because this is the future.
It's the first time this robot is being used to replace an aortic valve in a public teaching hospital.
The significance is accuracy and access.
Instead of opening the chest involving a 20-centimetre incision, the operation requires only a few keyhole openings to insert miniaturised instruments controlled by the surgeon nearby using joysticks and a magnified 3D camera.
The movements of my wrists, hands and fingers will be translated via the robotic arms. During the operation, we removed the diseased valve and we sew in a new valve.
This is the moment Shu Shen's new valve goes in. Before the surgery, Shu Shen was breathless, his leaky aortic valve causing heart failure symptoms.
I always feel tired. I sleep a lot.
Now he'll be able to spend more time with his 10-year-old son.
Now I have more energy to help, to exercise with him.
This less invasive technique means patients spend half the number of days recovering in hospital and they can bounce back more quickly at home. That's because they avoid the chest bone being cut open to access the heart.
Quicker return to work and also less complications such as infection.
This type of minimally invasive procedure is exactly where we want to go. It leads to better patient outcomes than the more traditional open heart surgery.
A transformative step in tackling heart valve disease, which affects more than 500,000 Australians. Gabriella Rogers, 9 News.